Welcome back to Zach Stuckey Outdoors. We're back at Wilbur D. Mills Dam in Pendleton, Arkansas, doing some catfishing here on the Arkansas River. Have not been here long. Throwing out short like I did last time, where we caught those big ones in that last video I posted. Now, I have not left these fish on the bank for like 30 minutes. I've literally caught all these in like 15 minutes. About to put all these on the stringer. 4 blues and a channel, all under 5 pounds, great eating. Pawpaw, just caught one about 10. Pretty blue right over there. Looks like it's going to be a great day. They are biting. We're using catalpa worms. Here we go. Pretty good one. All right. Hadn't been here long, probably about 30 minutes. Yeah, spray that rain. Yeah, I'm trying to fish as fast as possible because it may end up raining on us. Looks like there's going to be some thunderstorms kind of popping up here and there, so hopefully we get to fish. I do not know if that's a catfish or not. He's not acting like it. Thought he's going to come up to the top of the surface. Oh, that is a good one. What a beautiful catfish. Look at that. Beautiful catfish. Oh yeah. Okay, in today's video, we got Papa over here fishing with us, and we got Butch over there fishing with us. Met him around daylight, but yeah, he came down here with us, and he's using catalpa worms. Yeah, I had some people comment on my videos. They said they were threw out long, short, and kept getting hung up, couldn't get no bites. And if you can, if there's not a whole lot of people down here, you just got to move around a little bit. Because there's been times they've been loaded over there by the wall. If y'all have watched my videos, there's different places here to fish. There's just days they're there and days they're not. I may have a pretty good one, I don't know. Well, that current's so swift right here. I knew that was gonna happen, me doing that. Look at that. Another beautiful catfish. It's a big one. There's quite a few rocks right in there. I try to keep him to the right.
Ain't nothing I can really do. He just doing what he wants to do.
That's a good one.
I've got to wear him down.
Oh my gosh. What a catfish.
All right, thank you.
Oh my gosh, what a freaking catfish.
Pretty, ain't it?
That's a 30-pounder there.
Yeah,
Catch them on worms?
yeah,
Top worms.
yeah. Got him. Oh. That's pretty.
You don't mind being on YouTube, do you? Okay. That's a good eater. Zach Stuckey Outdoors. Zach Stuckey Outdoors.
Sinker spot.
Oh yeah.
Got nothing?
Yeah. He probably 3 or 4 pounds. Oh yeah. Got him that time. Another good one. All about that same size.
Well, can't get that today. I guess the only big one in there.
I guess.
still getting bites.
As soon as it hits the bottom. Right there. We about jerked at the same time.
Huh?
So we about jerked at the same time. Oh yeah, another good one. It's crazy how fast they're biting. Hits bottom, they're about 10 seconds. There's a bite.
Black duck take that way. Water's high when I first bought it over there.
Yeah.
Hit the rail. First time I had it down here. You got another?
Yeah. He might be a hair bigger. No, I'll take that back. He must be a rat. A little channel right there. Another good one. Little bitty one there. A little blue. Yep, we were catching catfish left and right. We changed the water, dropped it about a foot. They left out of there. Can't even get a bite. There's the ones Papa caught.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. That's a nice one.
That is heavy.
What is it?
25.1.
Yeah.
Okay, Butch, Papa and I had a great day of catfishing. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the noise. We're using the catalpa worms. See down here, we had 25 out of 3 people. Great day of catfishing. Plan on coming back. Smash that like button for me. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all for watching. That's it.